Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's scroll down to find the wallpaper section. Then of course give all the permissions it needs if you're opening it for the very first time. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to this wallpaper and personalization section. So right here we've got the wallpapers from which we can choose some online wallpapers, editor's pick, some new ones, super wallpapers, and the system wallpapers, which are pre-installed on this device, because all you have to know is that you're freely able to choose something from the system wallpapers. However, if you'd like to choose something from those online wallpapers, you will obviously have to have the internet connection. So all we have to do is to find the wallpaper we'd like to apply, and let me choose maybe this one or this one. So let's simply tap on it to check the preview of it so you can see how it will look like on the full screen. I've got too much icons, but I will fix it later on. So you can also kind of change the position of the wallpaper so you can frame it like you want to, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it, and it's up to you whether you want to use the wallpaper carousel, so it will change the wallpapers. I don't want to do that, so let me tap on don't agree, and as you can see we had this information that the wallpaper has been applied. Here you can also change the color palette, but let me focus on the wallpaper, on checking whether it is applied. And as you can see here, we've got our home screen. We can also lock the device and check, and it also appears on the lock screen. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.